Hello Mzansi and welcome to exciting show of your life. It's a girl Dino Karen. This is CMTV. Niyathembana na baby. Yazini ke tlo go kena mo strateng. I always ask this question ya gore le jola ka jwang rena re sa jole. Ni jola ka njani thina ni sa jole. Ntshale morago go batla dlamso re kae. E bona dlamso kae. Ntshale morago and see what's happening. Dumela maboko ga ke re lo mogelesegele via it's a girl Dino Caro and this is CMTV my scat kemo niyathembana na lante ba ka couple teaching phones my scat na ke are lo jola jwang rena re sa jole a re tsabe mo strateng re ba kene and see gore what's happening ntshela morago and see
and wena okwesithunga liba last wathi mandibambe izivuke ngizayimela mina lona
indaba yaziwenzakalani
lubani lokusendela amabele
ari ngutwe phela
it's not what you think man khulumani ngoba uyasho lo muntu ukuthi una 2 years into
bathi
akithola pisha ke mna
imali siphelela ay asiphelela asiphelela shoti zaka asiphelela emina bakambeza ka 2 million nje ay asiphelela batho nkapule ente go diragala mo ke kereke ke golf class ka fa ke bopantsola mona ka pencil skirt ho monate mo Jos lava mo eno bona ore zimelang a renta tamsio kwa msio kwa mkholani lena mma ikona ninjani nami ngiyaphila nikhuluma isiZulu or isiTswana isiZulu habathu why lo hamba slow so if you guys can see ukuthi I've been waiting for you can you please stand here for me ani mind my camera ngithi
camera oh
awena bonakala ngathi wathanda ngapi
hi
I mind
that's mind
wena mind ngithi nawe sisi okay what's your name Thulani ngibathanda buthulani hayi wena yo I was digmatized by Thulani once upon a time in my life. You are not the type, ne?
You're a different type.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Wait, waguphi?
Ngihlala khona around la.
Uhlala khona around la. Oh, okay. Ungawari. Ngeke like I don't steal and I won't come to your house. Ngifuna I don't want to be digmatized mina must.
Okay.
Yeah. What's your name, Sisi? Nokulunga. Usuka phi wena Nokulunga? Imiddlelands. Ukuphi ekhaya?
Kaya.
Yeah.
4
Zone 4. Wena unama ekhaya?
like Natal Senkandla.
Inkandla. Awu enkandla. Nawe wena ekhaya sakuphi?
Khaya is Limpopo.
Limpopo. Kukayi kuLimpopo?
Yeah.
Mara wa batla go buela na Zulu.
No, I just Zulu ke language re tlwaetseng.
Wa o bue.
The second official language.
Seriously? Is it second official?
Yes.
It's my language and sign language. How? What do you think about sign language?
It's a language. It's awesome. No, I wanna learn it.
You wanna learn it, ne? Yeah, but I know this one already. You know this one, ne?
Scrutinized.
Was scrutinized. What do you call this one, sis? At least we know this one to begin with. Kopare MLMO, you guys don't mind cameras. We have prizes to win here because it's almost December. Can you put me in the middle, my sister? Put you on this side. Yeah. So niyathandana or you guys are family? Or niyabangani?
Uzokutshela.
Mtshelene if uyayitshontsha sisi if niyasitshontsha no2 nizovela eTV.
Okay, what is this about? Umuntu.
It's a love show.
Okay.
Excuse me, Mzansi. It's a love show. So we make sure that people get too much close together. And then we are collaborating with Stance and American Swiss. If you guys are winning the thingy, Shoktia, Nuzotolama ring. Yeah, if you win questions that I'm about to ask. So they are tandan. Nineska tsinga gana nijol.
6 months.
6 months. Oh, maqonda akho mawubekile wena lo.
Mkonda.
Sure.
6 months akhuluma.
Right, in 6 months ne. Uyamthemba like 100%.
Yeah, so far.
Yeah.
No doubt.
Yeah, I like your drip, my man, and you. Your drip nice. Here you are confusing me, you think that's golf. Do you know? Yeah. Futhi ngithi ayike into temsiyoni. But it's nice, it's nice. So I'm coming from CMTV, man.
Okay.
We exchange phones for 60 seconds. No muntu yakho exchange a phone for 60 seconds.
Okay.
Yeah, abone nje ukuthi kuyenzakalani efonini yakho. Awumind ngithi?
No, I don't mind.
60 seconds uyazi ukuthi hwap fast.
Okay.
Even ama push up you can do it in 60%, yeah.
Okay.
60 seconds. Awumind ngithi wena sis?
I don't mind.
You don't mind. Where's your phone?
No.
Where? Oh, why uphethe my phone? Uphethe phone yakhe?
I'm in my pocket.
Oh, akana ma packets. Okay, ngicela ifone yakho.
Okay.
Nawe ngicela ifone yakho sisi. Yeah, see. Yabona nina nikhulile man niyenza umsebenzi wami ukuthi ube fast. Yabona? I like working with very mature people. CMTV, niyathembana na, you know what it is. My name is Dineo Kare and of course I've got the power. Ina inkandla, kina muntu le power me. Ha. So qala ngefuna kabani?
Sanibonani.
Hello.
Njani?
Sikhona umpi man. Asisi siqala ngefuna kabani? Ngifuna yakho.
No, tiyami.
Okay. Wena ibamba ifoni yakhe la. Uyijwayele ukuyibamba ifoni yakhe? Uyayazi ipassword yakhe? Thatha wena girl. Baba lesi drums. Okay, fine. Qala ukuthi ungene for 60 seconds. When now you can count so long if you don't mind. It's our fingers, all of our fingers and our toes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 yabo. Yeah, imethi lula. Ngene WhatsApp ngesikhathi. Ngene tap uyayidlala uya text.
Yeah, so communicate.
Uthi I love you. Usho kanjani? Does he say I love you when he wants to say I love you or he says it in isiZulu? Uyisho ngesizulu. Hayi, okay. Type le okay. Type. Akekho umunye umuntu omthandayo except for
No.
kunje
I'm loyal, yes. I'm loyal. I let people. He said, I accept. I want baggies.
ukuphi before 10.
I'm always at home.
Oh, you always at home. You person who uthanda indlu ne?
Yes.
Okay, that's late actually. Before 10. That's late. Yeah, so Kunjo, what's your name?
Nokulunga.
All right. Kuponchekele, I miss you.
Okay.
Away. I miss you. I'll miss anyone. It's almost December, pal.
Yeah, hey, that's feeling, man. I miss.
Okay, Chekele, sex. Yeah.
Didn't tell me what is going that far.
I just want to check. I didn't kid it. I just want to check.
Okay.
I like your pastor, my brother. You are out here. You comfortable.
Okay. Yeah, I'm comfortable.
So, how out of 100, how much do you trust a person?
Because it's been 6 months.
Yeah. Nigga, it.
60%.
So, ngiselo abantu batho ba ka sia o ba wild. Batho ba ka sia o ba wild.
No, I like this. Introvert.
Why 60%? Ngicela ukuthi ukhotsofale nesis. Go in, go Facebook, konke ma picture.
60%. And there is time up. 60% because distance.
Distance ne. Wena umuntu ama burp. All right. I see you ukuthi wena umuntu ama burp. Yeah. All right. Wena akacheat ne?
Yeah.
Ujwayele ukubamba ifoni yakhe?
Yes.
Ngiyakubona wena girl. How do you feel ukuthi umuntu wakho akacheat?
I feel good.
Amazing ne? All right. So wena ungitshela sisi angikujaji ne? Abantu bayayikhipha manje. Ikhipha is taking out mas. Abantu bayikhipha gold. Why wena yakho isasele? Oh, usayithanda iseyintsha. Why sis? Oh, istyle sakho ne?
Enithi yangifanele.
Yakufanele akihani. Akihani. Ngiyabona nami ukuthi wena uyayithanda no. Uzazi uthola enye futhi. Why? Uyenza ukuthi usmile ngakhulu ne. I can imagine myself with gold today. I can imagine myself, thank you. When he knows your password. Woo, nice. He knows your password. Where's the password like?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, ngicela ukuthi ngene WhatsApp. Ngene WhatsApp. Wena uyamthanda umuntu wakho? Uyamthemba futhi?
Yeah, same.
Out of 100. Ngicela untypele come outside. I don't trust girls that just agree to date someone who doesn't have a car. Yeah, but like I understand you must give me a valid reason why are you dating him? Because uyamthanda nje.
In your turn.
Because normally you guys have someone that has a car and who's doing better.
Not
Oh, it's only me.
Come outside. Okay.
Ah,
Nudes.
mm.
Nudes.
So we know the content.
There's always something under pencil skirt.
When it comes to nudes, so we.
And so we nane.
Okay.
Uthi?
I'm not my nudes.
Okay. I love you. I love you. Akekho umuntu umthandayo sisi. Uhleka kakhulu ngathi usikele wena. Everything thikiwe.
Okay. Yes.
Couple of names, my sister. Who is Thabiso? Masiqale ngoThabiso.
I don't know.
Mario uyamlava musu Thabiso. Ompi man Ray, los ons. Yes. Yeah. Who's Thabiso? My sister, you are busy here.
Yes, sir.
Who is Thabiso?
Mom.
And then who's Kagiso? Oh, kunje ubani wena buthi?
Tulane.
Uthulani. Who's Kagiso and Thabiso?
Yeah, ne.
Abangani bami banking close.
Uclose now. Uyabathanda ne? Uyabathanda cause abangani bakho.
Yeah.
And ngakhulu. It happens. Ubathanda kakhulu ngithi. Udlula lo.
No.
Kudlula lo, ne? Uthi sex type of sex la kuthi. Sex is born. Hayibo my darlings. Uya sexan no Thabiso. You can confess right now and be like, yo, it's a problem. We're gonna fix it. Mtshela while we are here. Sorry ne. U just wow Thabiso.
Yeah.
Yes, sexana naye. Yeah, what do you do?
Next, you're just friends.
You're just talking about sex because when you're not that dumb, wasn't it?
I'm not that dumb.
Yeah. So uthini makunje?
Can I see the date? Leyo kusexani. Okay. Okay.
Ithini?
Hi.
Shokuthi awuyenze kahle buti. I'm sorry.
Seriously, seriously. What was the question, Konje?
Uzoyenzani nge-relationship?
Hi. Mina.
My brother uyaphosa yazi.
No.
Angazi ukuthi bakubheke.
Konje, I don't know how to react to this. What? Okay.
Khala my darling. Khala. Unal tissue. Khala. Sinawo.
Plus safe distance.
Awubathi tissue nyana khala my darling.
Hi.
Ukhalela angithi wena wasexana le batho ba bangwe na my darling uskatla wa ka man tshwara mo. Wena mamsiyo. So uzenzani nge-relationship?
No, we ekhaya uzongi-WhatsApp.
Ayi kasi.
Ekhaya no.
Ekhaya. And o retsa ngetse taxi ne. A walk because o kry taxi mo it's a distance. I'm sorry, I can't mean away. I'm siding with somebody who doesn't cheat. I don't know.
But I don't cheat.
What do? You just sexing me? Oh yeah. You une problem. Mtshela problem yakhe.
Yeah.
Surely you have a problem. Yeah, he wants to know what I fix.
Yeah, also, they never tells me if I want to know. What do I want to know?
The reason why I'm doing this.
Why? The reason.
Magayikhaya.
Mutshele reason. Akafuni. Bawabona kusho ukuthi nawe uyayazi inkinga yakho.
Tell them, mina ngizongitshela uma ufika ekhaya.
Inkinga yakhe encane.
Enkulu makayikho that big.
Khani wena ufune anaconda. Anaconda.
No, ngisho inkinga yakhe, hayi into yakhe.
Oh.
Azi inkinga yini.
Oh yeah, sorry sis. Ungakhali buteskies. Yeah.
She's a busy. Isikhathi sakhe and like ish.
Ayikho mnandi. Amu enjoy ne.
Yeah.
But wahamba ungamtshelanga before usifika la.
Ish. Akho.
Ukutshela umuntu ne, yes my brother. I hope now you see and the whole almost 1 million subscribers, they know ukuthi unenkinga. But she can't tell you.
So she goes out there now. You consult. Consult the other guys.
Yeah.
It's my thing. Eating ayake.
So what's gonna happen to relationship?
Mate, straight mate. The next thing is what thing.
Don't call people straight mate. So what are you gonna do with the relationship? What are you gonna do with the relationship? You don't call people from the ghetto. They straight.
This relationship here, Kaya.
You're okay.
Going home.
You're going home.
So.
Bro, from the burp saying you're going home, bro. Just go home and don't ever look back.
Oh.
Serious.
Uyakshi it.
Serious.
Mahambe. Awukho sure. Bewuzothola ne? Eshaskizi ngiyokukblokile lentwana. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Wena uthini? Usamfuna? Awuyifuna relationship? Hayi man kak man. Ababahlani bathu ba okay, me I wanna close the show now my sister. Uyakufebela lo sisi lo. But he's good with Saba boys.
Yeah.
Bathi masaba phina agresis. Ya khai woka miskato create so balata pula etla. Woka.
Yes.
Woka ya khai ne. I'm sorry. But I'm sure you are glad that I saved you. Yeah. Ooh, I knew it. I knew that I'm an angel. When I hambo ekhaya buti. Nice. At least iskini jeans sakho asakubamba kakhulu. That's nice. Uyakhala? Ish. Ladies and gentlemen, I've never been to I don't understand, but I understand I'm a girl at some point. A girl can understand that a guy will like us somehow. Lina I thought, hi Gabi. Like the postures and
But in fact, even though if someone is lacking,
you must sit down and talk to them. You can't just.
Yeah.
Because now imagine you get exposed to almost 1 million
I
people.
was watching so on face.
Nah, that one is not nice.
Problem nomuntu or something that you don't understand. Sala phansi nabo ukhulume nabo umtshele ukuthi mfethu kuyaleka ku 1 2 and 3.
Exactly.
If there's a way to fix it, you fix it. If there's no way, if you decide to go, you go.
Yeah.
It's right.
Exactly.
To go out there and do ezinye izinto ezo.
It's okay to tell a guy that
Yeah.
you are too feminine for me.
Yeah.
You know,
the case.
if that's the case, you are too what? Guys, sit down and talk about this. That's why Honalibudi dates and dinners and stuff, for you guys to sit down and talk. Stop inviting each other to the house. Because you will never get a chance to talk.
To know this person.
No, mutawa ba tipsy moto. So, ukopana libudi bukharo libudlamini now. We're exposing this. Stop doing this to other kids, guys. Just sit down and talk. The relationship is all about communicating. CMTV Nyathembana. My name is Zero Caro, the presenter. And of course, with my amazing Sir Dlamini and a beautiful crew. See you again on another one. Dumela maboko ga ke re lo mogelesegele via it's a girl Dino Caro and this is CMTV my scat kemo ni athebana na ntse ba ka couple teaching phones my scat na ke a re lo jola jwang rena re sa jole a re tsabe mo strateng re ba kene nsi gore what's happening ntshala morago nsi
and wena okwesithu ungalibali uba last wathi mandiyibambe izivuke ndizayimela mina loo nto
indaba yazikwenzakalayo
lubani lokusendela amabele ari ngutle pelo
what you think man
khulumani ngoba uyasho lo muntu ukuthi una 2 years and lokhu
bathi
nakitla akitla lapha ke monna